So our kids are they're ready, my mother, and we at least we start to build a room for them. It's evening now, and I decided to look how are our strawberries, but they are not ready. This is one kind of strawberries. They are not ready until now, and here we have early strawberries. You can see they are red. It's now 15th of June today. It's 15th of June, and we start. It's just start with strawberries here in the north part of Moscow region, but where my parents live and my children, my Lubava and Lev, are there now. It's finish of strawberries now, but my parents live 900 kilometers to the south of Russia. So here. And I will take Melissa to make tea with it. I don't know if in English is the same, but in Russian we say if a man can do everything, we say he has golden hands. And it was written in Facebook, never marry man with golden hands, because you will have nothing new. This not a good man will repair everything. So he's repairing everything, and Roma now decided to repair old vacuum. Что у тебя есть? Эпоксидная смола?
Да, эпоксидная смола.
И что она даст?
У меня есть этот стеклохолст. Ну, ткань из стеклохолста. Что-то в этом роде. Вот, мы будем заклеивать вот эти трещины. Вот эти вот трещины. Вот он весь в трещинах. Вот трещины. Вот трещины. Да ты очень близко снимаешь. And now we have vacuum cleaner. It is KARCHER. That's part number. And we have idea repair cup this vacuum cleaner. We have super glue. and I will try repair from this material. It is give my uncle. It's material from USSR time, and I don't know how work this, but I tried glue and activator. Okay. I don't know proportion this glue, but Google know, and Google say I need take 10 part this and 1 part that. I will try. It's difficult a little. Okay, only 1 part. Okay, I think we do it only on eye. Wow. Okay, this ingredient easy. Have we mix it. Wow. I try do it in my when I be young boy, and I have smoke. Okay, I think we mix it. I prepared this part.
And now you can see the result of my husband's work with this glue. He could not make a video of it because he said it was everything in this glue. It was not so comfortable, but you can see the result. Here you could see holes in this body, and now it's ready. It's not so nice looking, but I think it will be good. And we continue to repair. We need to change the filter. You can see now modernization of KARCHER. And you can see this filter is not from vacuums, it's from the car, from Gazelle car. So
И входит и выходит.
it's inside now. My husband. Huh? And the vacuum is ready now, and you will see it works. Good.
Смотри,
Да?
пока.
Very strong. Yeah, it's very, very strong. I'm so happy now.